Hello traders, in this video I am reviewing the HORNET EA for MT4, and I'm just going to walk through the MQL5 marketplace page, break down how the system is described to work, and then take a look at its historical testing performance to understand how it behaves in real chart conditions. So before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So here we are on the MQL5 marketplace page for HORNET EA, developed by Vladimir Blednov. This is an MT4 expert advisor priced at 79 US dollars with version 1.161 and a history of updates going back to 2020. Now, from the description, the EA is primarily designed around Euro USD, but it can also be adapted to other currency pairs with proper optimization. The developer also highlights that the system is not a scalper, which already gives an idea of the trading style being more structured and slower paced compared to high frequency systems. Now, looking at the core concept, the EA combines multiple strategies, including regression channels across different time frames, price action patterns, and a medium term trend following approach. So instead of relying on a single signal type, it tries to confirm direction using multiple layers of market structure. As I scroll further, I can see that the EA also uses several filtering mechanisms, and okay, so this includes things like controlling average daily deviation and identifying higher time frame reversal patterns. So the idea behind this is to reduce false signals and only take trades when multiple conditions align. Okay, another interesting part mentioned here is that some parameters are not fixed in traditional point values, but instead use coefficients. This means the EA can adjust certain calculations dynamically depending on market conditions, which adds a layer of adaptability in how it behaves. Moving into the settings area, we also see flexible money management options. The EA can operate with fixed lot sizing, or it can calculate position size dynamically based on account balance. That gives traders some control depending on their risk approach. Now, there is also trade management functionality built in, including stop loss and take profit levels, as well as trailing stop and trailing profit features that manage positions as the market moves. Additionally, partial closure of trades is supported, which suggests a more progressive way of locking in gains rather than closing everything at once. Now, one thing worth noting is the multi-pair mode feature. This essentially prevents the EA from opening new primary trades on other instruments if it already has active trades running under the same magic number. That helps reduce overexposure when running multiple charts at the same time. Now, before moving into the backtest section, the EA is recommended primarily for Euro USD, although it also lists other pairs as part of optimization setups. So for this review, I'll be focusing on how the system behaves in line with that core Euro USD structure. Okay, let's just quickly head over to our strategy tester right away, and we can see I'm testing the HORNET EA on Euro CAD, which is one of the recommended um you know currency pairs. We can see here, if you use auto settings, the priority of currency pairs is descending. Euro CAD, Euro GBP, Euro USD, CAD JPY, USD JPY, AUD JPY, Euro NZD, Euro CHF. So I decided to just use the first one, which is Euro CAD. Okay, so we can see I'm testing on the H1 period, and we are testing over the past month, or okay, let's say over the past year. All right, actually it started from the beginning of this year, so it's not exactly one full year. It's just about you know 5 months and a week, right? 1st January 2026 till to the current date, 7th June 2026 as at the time of recording this video. So let's just quickly look at the report. We can see that from an initial deposit of $50,000, the total net profit was negative 12.55, and the total trades taken were 12, and all 12 were short positions with a 58.33% win rate. Now, the largest profit was $15.78, and the largest loss was $11.96. The average profit was 3.76, and the average loss was 7.77. So this tells me that the risk to reward ratio is pretty bad. Judging from the average profit and average loss, the risk to reward ratio is pretty bad. And when you put that side by side with the win rate, well, I'm not surprised to see a negative net profit, even though, the negative net profit is just a little compared to the initial deposit, but still, the win rate is not good enough, and the risk to reward ratio is also bad. So, I'm not surprised to see a negative net profit. But let's just quickly look at the EA in action. So I'm going to turn on the visual mode, same settings, and let's just see the EA in action. All right. So looking at the historical backtest results, I want to observe how the EA I want to observe how the EA reacts during different market phases. Okay, since the strategy is built around regression channels, price action patterns, and trend confirmation, the key thing here is how well it aligns entries with directional movement rather than reacting too late or too early. On the chart, I'm also paying attention to how the EA manages trades once they are active. So with trailing stop and partial close functions, the expectation is that positions are not simply held blindly, but instead adjusted as price develops. So from a behavior standpoint, it's also important to consider how the filtering system impacts trade frequency. Fewer but more selective entries usually indicate stronger confirmation logic, especially when multiple time frame conditions are involved. Okay, so as with any historical testing performance, it is important to keep in mind that results can vary depending on broker conditions, spread, slippage, lot sizing, and overall risk configuration. So what we are looking at here is purely historical analysis, not future performance prediction. Okay, overall, the Hornet EA for MT4 is presented as a structured multi-layer strategy system that combines price action, regression channels, and trend filtering with built-in trade management tools like trailing, partial closing, and flexible lot sizing. Personally, I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more complete understanding of how the EA performs across different market conditions before considering any live application. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.